A very good morning to you children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying in good health these days. And as you know that the weather is getting very hot, so don't step out of your houses. Okay? So once again it is Saturday and it's time for our GK class in which you get to learn so many things about general knowledge and you gain a lot of information. So in today's class we are going to learn chapter 7, Great Indian Scientists. Children, it's not there that in the present only we are learning about so many scientists and all. If we go to the past, we come to know about India that there were many great Indian scientists who are remembered even today also. Today also you know very well that India is gaining a lot of fame. In present world also, India has got a lot of recognition. Many countries look forward to India. So that means there are many great people who are working now also and who were there in the past also, because of which our country got such a fame. So in this chapter today, we are going to learn about some Indian scientists who are known for their remarkable work which they did in the past, and today also their work is remembered and recognized. So let us study about them. First of all, as you can see this picture, he was the first person to believe that the earth is round and rotates on its axis that causes day and night. So this person, who is considered to be the first person who recognized this thing that earth is round, and because of the rotation of the earth only day and night are caused, and this great Indian scientist is Aryabhatta. Second one, as you can see, he discovered Chandrasekhar limit and received the Nobel Prize for physics. So this person, he was a great physicist. He founded the theory known as Chandrasekhar limit, for which he also won a Nobel Prize, and this is S. Chandrasekhar. Coming on to the third one, he was the first Indian scholar who studied only in India and received the Nobel Prize for physics. So this scientist was the person who never went abroad for studies. He studied totally in India, and then also he received the Nobel Prize for physics for his Raman effect, for the theory which is known as Raman effect, and the name of this scientist is C.V. Raman. The next picture, as you can see, was a person who developed India's first satellite, and he named this satellite Aryabhatta after this great scientist, right? And this person is Vikram A. Sarabhai. Now we come on to the next one, that is this person who is known as the father of Indian nuclear program. So he developed nuclear program for India, and this great scientist is Homi J. Bhabha. The next personality is also known as the Birdman of India, because he did a lot of research and surveys on birds. There are so many variety of birds in the world. So many birds are there, and about all the birds this person had a knowledge, and he surveyed about the birds, and this person, who is also known as the Birdman of India, is Salim Ali. The next person, who is known as the father of surgery, he was Sushruta. He is known as the father of surgery because he was the one who used to perform surgeries a very long time back when there were no doctors. That time this person performed surgeries, and not only the regular surgeries, but he also performed the surgeries related to plastic surgery, in which we are transforming some part is damaged and then skin is applied. Such type of difficult surgeries this person used to perform, and his name is Sushruta, and he has written book also about his treatments. Last one but not the least, I hope you all know this great personality. He was also the President of India, and he is also known as the Indian Missile Man. He is also referred to as Missile Man of India because he was the mastermind of making missiles for India. And this great personality and great scientist is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So children, in this lesson you came to know about many important scientists which were famous, which made some theorems, which did something good, and their work is even recognized till date. And in present scenario also, if we talk about scientists, we know that our scientists have worked very hard in developing the vaccine for coronavirus. So scientists are undoubtedly great persons whom we should pay a lot of respect. You can write these answers in your GK book and then you can learn these also. Till then, have a nice day.